Hi, PLC teachers. This is an assignment report highlights recording for session 3. In session 3, we're going to be looking at common wrong answers in the student detail report. And so I'd just like to remind you that on the teacher's assignment report, if you come down here into the detailed report, we have common wrong answer. And so going across here for any ones that have common wrong answers, this percent means the percent of students that got it wrong answered 4. So 83% of the wrong answers is 4, and 50% of the wrong answers was 7/3. And over here, 86% of the wrong answers was 9. The other thing we're going to be looking at in our session this time is the student detail report. And so we look across here and we see a whole lot of orange here, correct eventually. Maybe we want to see a little bit more detail on this student. We can open up this report. This report is the teacher's view of the student details for each individual student. You can view previous students and scroll through each student here, right to left, and you can see how this student did. So this is student number 28, because that's the demo name. And you can see for the first problem, the students started it. This is the time they started it. They spent 6 minutes and 5 seconds on it. They answered the open response. Here's the open response. Notice that you can also access the scoring open response from this report as you can from the assignment report. So you could go here and you could score that right there. Finish that problem. Then at 1:56, they started the next problem and they spent 14 seconds on it and answered incorrectly. Here's the wrong answer. And then they answered correctly, and here's the correct answer. And if you look closely, there's a decimal on that one. That's why it's wrong, because it almost looks like it's the same answer. They finished the problem. And the next one, they started the problem same minute, it looks like. So that one didn't take them very long, only a few seconds. And after 4 seconds, they answered incorrectly. They answered 4. After 23 seconds, they answered incorrectly 3. After 7 seconds, they answered correctly 3/2. Finished the problem. Started the next problem. It was an open response. They wrote down those words. You can click it open and assess it if you want, and so on. So each one of these things shows you exactly the path of what a student's done. And what's nice about it is that you can see when a student perseveres and finally gets it correct, you can see what they were thinking and what they did. Now, you wouldn't want to view these for every student because it would be very time consuming, but you'll find there'll be times that you'll be looking at the assignment report and certain things will pop out to you in the assignment report that will make you want to drill down closer and look at that student. Please note our new progress bar here too. This progress circle, these are all completed assignments. When they're half complete, the circle goes all the way around and it fills in until finally the student has completed it. This is a new column for percent of completeness of an actual assignment that we have got here. And that's it. I'll see you at session 3.